Good morning, everybody. Today in this class, we shall study about the classification of organic compounds on the basis of functional group. Because in previous classes, we have learned the classification of organic compounds on the basis of structure. Since organic compounds have been classified into the following two criteria. One of the criteria is the classification of organic compounds on the basis of structure. Another criteria is the classification of organic compounds on the basis of functional group. So today in this class we shall study about functional group as well as the classification of organic compounds on the basis of functional group. Before going to the classification, first we have to know what functional group is, and the functional group that can be written in this class all are the classifications of organic compounds on the basis of functional group. So we can write the definition of functional group. This is nothing but an atom or group of atoms present in any organic compound on which all the chemical property of that compound depends. That is called a functional group. This is the definition of functional group. We can again say that the atom or group of atoms present in any organic compound on which all the chemical properties of that compound depend, that is called a functional group. It means functional group is nothing but an atom or group of atom that is present in any organic compound on which all the chemical property of that compound depends. That is called a functional group. Some of the examples of functional group that have been written, that is alcohol, OH, aldehyde, CHO, ketone, CO. This is a special type of functional group, and there are so many types of functional group. So only 3 examples have been allotted. The symbol of such functional group is OH, that is alcohol, aldehyde, CHO, ketone, CO. This is a carbonyl group. And this is the covalent bond which is directly linked with alkyl group or phenyl group to form a compound. So we can define functional group again. This is the atom or group of atom which is present in any organic compound on which all the chemical property of the respective compound depends. That is called a functional group. So this is the definition of functional group, and we can study in this class the classification of organic compound on the basis of functional group. Before classification, we have to know what functional group is and what are the total number of functional group that we have to study in this class. So more and more functional groups are present. We can write some of the main functional group that we have to study in this class. So we can write 3 columns. That is name of the functional group. Name of the functional group. Symbol, IUPAC name. There will be 3 columns. One of the column is the name of the functional group, another is symbol, and the third is IUPAC name. IUPAC name means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry or chemist. This is an international name that can be given to every organic compound in order to avoid any mistake or any difficulties. IUPAC organization has given some of the rules or technique. By using these rules or technique, we can write the formula of every compound. So this is an international name. The full form of IUPAC is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. So we write some of the functional group. First is alcohol. Symbol of alcohol is OH. This is the bond, and IUPAC name is alkanol. We see that alcohol is the name of functional group. This is the symbol, and this is the IUPAC name. Second is aldehyde. Symbol of aldehyde is CHO. The IUPAC name of aldehyde is alkanol. Third is ketone. IUPAC name of ketone is alkanone. Four is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid symbol COOH. IUPAC name is alkanoic acid. Five is alkyl halide. Alkyl halide symbol X, bond X, and IUPAC name is haloalkane. Haloalkane. Six is acid halide. COX bond COX. IUPAC name is alkanoyl halide. These are 6 functional groups. We can write some of the functional group after it. Name of the functional group means this is the name, symbol, and IUPAC name. There will be 3 columns here. Alcohol is the first functional group, symbol is OH, IUPAC name alkanol. Aldehyde CHO, alkanol. These are the difference of OL and Al only. This is OL and this is Al. So it is called alkanol and it is called alkanol. Similarly, ketone is another functional group. Symbol is CO. 2 alkyl groups are added to this bond, or we can write in this way also. IUPAC name of ketone is alkanone. Similarly, another functional group is carboxylic acid, bond COOH. IUPAC name of carboxylic acid is alkanoic acid. Similarly, another functional group is alkyl halide, symbol is bond X. IUPAC name is haloalkane. Similarly, another functional group is acid halide also. Symbol is bond COX. IUPAC name is alkanoyl halide. This IUPAC name we can use during the nomenclature of various types of organic compound, but in this case we can write only the name of IUPAC name with the name of functional groups. And another functional group will be acid halide. 7 is ether. Symbol bond O bond. IUPAC name is alkoxyalkane. Ester COOR bond COR. ester का IUPAC नेम एल्कोक्सीएल्केन और ये हो जाएगा एस्टर COOR एल्काइल एल्केनोएट. This is the IUPAC name of ester. 9 is amine. NH2, it means bond NH2, alkanamine. Or we can write also aminoalkane. Another is amide. Functional group is bond CONH2. IUPAC name of amide is alkanamide. Alkanamide. Another is nitroalkane. Bond NO2, IUPAC name will be same. Nitroalkane. 12 is alkane sulfonic acid. Alkane sulfonic acid. Functional group is bond SO3H. IUPAC name will be same. Alkane sulfonic acid. 13 is alkyl cyanide. Alkyl cyanide CN bond CN. Alkyl cyanide के alkane nitrile. Alkane nitrile. This is the IUPAC name of alkyl cyanide. 14 is alkyl isocyanide. Alkyl isocyanide bond NC is the symbol, and IUPAC name is alkyl carbyl amine. Alkyl carbyl amine. Another is acid anhydride. Acid anhydride COOCO bond CO bond. IUPAC name will be alkanoic anhydride. Alkanoic anhydride. These are the some of the main functional groups that I have to retain in this class, and students will further study by heart all these 15 functional groups. With the help of these 15 functional groups, 15 million compounds are obtained. That is why these are the most important thing in the field of organic chemistry. In 7th number, ether. Symbol of ether is bond O bond. This bond can be linked with alkyl group. An alkyl group is the group that can be obtained by the removal of one hydrogen atom from any alkane group like methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, etc. Another is ester. Symbol of ester is bond COR. This is the alkyl group, and this bond will be linked with alkyl group also. IUPAC name of ester is alkyl alkanoate. Similarly, another functional group is amine. Bond NH2 is the symbol, and IUPAC name of amine is alkanamine or aminoalkane. Another functional group is amide also. The functional group of amide is bond CONH2, and IUPAC name will be alkanamide. Similarly, nitroalkane is another class of compound. Bond NO2 is the symbol, and IUPAC name will be same like nitroalkane. Similarly, alkane sulfonic acid, the functional group will be bond SO3H, and alkane sulfonic acid is the IUPAC name. It means IUPAC name of such two group of compound will be same. 13. Alkyl cyanide. Symbol of alkyl cyanide is bond CN. IUPAC name is alkane nitrile. Similarly, alkyl isocyanide. Symbol of alkyl isocyanide is bond NC. And IUPAC name is alkyl carbylamine. 15 is acid anhydride. The symbol of acid anhydride is bond CO. IUPAC name will be alkanoic anhydride. These are the 15 main functional groups present in organic compound, and majority of organic compound can be made out of these 15 functional groups. Millions and millions of compound can also be obtained by using this 15 type of functional group. So we are reading in this class the classification of organic compounds on the basis of functional group. These are different functional groups, as well as these are the classification of organic compounds also on the basis of functional group, because in the case of ether a large number of compounds are present, and ether is a class name, and we can write alkyl group in different position. So there will be a large number of compounds. Such all compounds and their class name is called ether, and different members are called the members of such group. Similarly, in case of ester, we can put the value of alkyl group on either side of it. A large number of compounds are obtained. These all compounds are the members of ester, and the class name will be ester. Similarly, this thing is applicable in all the 15 functional groups. In all the cases, the vacant bond will be attached with alkyl group to form a large number of compounds. So these are the class name, and more type of organic compounds can be used by using such type of functional group. So we can say that these are different functional groups, as well as the classification of organic compounds on the basis of functional group like that. And we can further know about alkyl groups, what alkyl group is, because this bond can be attached with alkyl group to form a large number of organic compounds. So we study alkyl group in a detailed manner to use this functional group to form a large number of compounds. Another topic is alkyl group. It is denoted by capital R. We take an example, that is alkane. We can remove one hydrogen atom to form alkyl group. That is denoted by R. It means in case we can remove only one hydrogen atom from any alkane group, the group so obtained is called alkyl group. So alkyl group is the group of atom that can be obtained by the removal of only one hydrogen atom from alkane, that is called alkyl group, and generally it is denoted by capital R. And this alkyl group can be linked with any type of functional group to form more and more type of organic compound. So it is necessary to know about alkyl group. The member of alkane is CH4. In case one hydrogen can be removed, the group is CH3. It is called methyl group. This is methyl group. C2H6 is another member of alkane, that is called ethane, and one hydrogen atom can be removed from this compound to get C2H5. This is ethyl group. Ethyl group. Another member is C3H8, that is propane. In case We remove one hydrogen atom to get C3H7, that is propyl group. Propyl group. In case C4H10, that is called butane also, we can remove one hydrogen atom to get C4H9, that is butyl group. These all are the alkyl group and denoted by R. So we can define or give the definition of alkyl group in this way. The group which is obtained by the removal of only one hydrogen atom from alkane group is called alkyl group, and it is denoted by capital R. And this alkyl group will be linked with any functional group to form majority of organic compounds. So it is necessary to know what alkyl group is and what is the function of alkyl group. This is the alkyl group. In case we take alkane member, so one hydrogen can be removed from alkane. The group so obtained is called alkyl group, generally denoted by R. These are different members of alkane group, that is methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, and so on. So we can remove one hydrogen atom from methane to get methyl group. This is also alkyl group. In case of ethane, one hydrogen is removed to get C2H5. This is ethyl group. Similarly, C3H8 is the formula of propane. We can remove one hydrogen atom from propane to get propyl group. Similarly, this is the formula of butane. We can remove one hydrogen atom from butane to obtain butyl group. This methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, pentyl, hexyl are called alkyl groups. So we can define the alkyl group in this way. The group which is obtained by the removal of one hydrogen atom from any alkane member, the group so obtained is called alkyl group. So in this way we can write the definition of alkyl group in this way. Alkyl group. The group which is obtained by the removal of one hydrogen atom from alkane that is called alkyl group. It is denoted by capital R. This is the definition of alkyl group. The group which is obtained by the removal of one hydrogen atom from alkane, that is called alkyl group. It is denoted by R. It means we can remove one hydrogen atom from any alkane group like methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane to get alkyl group. These all are generally considered a alkyl group. Methyl group is also alkyl group, ethyl group is also alkyl group, propyl group is also alkyl group. These all are designated as capital R. And this alkyl group will be linked to every functional group that we have to study in this class some minutes ago. By using such type of group, we can write more and more type of organic compound. So in the next class we can study about the various class name of functional group with alkyl groups and the nomenclature of alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, and there are so many types of functional group that I have written in this class. So we can meet in the next class. Thanks.